Mamgazi madai. Anya pada kuitwele nasi ndikunyasonzwa hoviyo jaja. Ah? Sanda kwenda ngotenga chimwe. Kutenya umita sekwa ngokutera tera. Asa nomba poli. Anda ada rumah shows.
Tanya. Cicenya mandi.
Tanya lena ada. Ana ma shows.
Eska mai Simba.
Tukusai mai time.
Ndine bosha wangu.
Sai kalai.
Wamukapo.
Tamuka. Tukusai kumba kwako.
Kuri bosha konduze kandi wanda kaona kauchigirwa vai. Nemamonaki.
Zine nyika yakaoma kudai, kofiti kudai. Vanhu vakangouya. Kana kufona. Shanyirwa nguva ino iyi. Nenyika yakaoma kudai. Unompei na hivi. Andina kana chino ndinoita sei.
Tenga musoro uku.
Ndoita sei.
Ndoibikira usaise mafuta unoibika yakadaro.
Vagozvida. Anti vane vachitoda chikafu chakanaka nayo.
Ndokuti vaenda mwana.
Ukabika zvakanguda. Toona zvekuita.
Iwe,
ndakapererwa.
Asikara. Ndikanditi ndine mwana.
Wakunobika, wakunobika iko.
Vaenza sina notice here sawira. Vanoshote iwe. Muenza akauya sina notice ada kupiwa zvikorobho zvemumba zvese. Owacha anodhiniwa kaini. Iri bhora mwana ngandobika. Mamukere tete.
Kasumeta. Boko wamuka Maxine kana morning await. What's wrong? What's going on with you? Ukapinda mbao mukwa mune negative energy, but you are busy laughing with all the neighbors. Chi, dadaze.
Pana ndireke. Ndo kwa uri kuno. Mwenye cheko pafoni pako pausulubera.
Kurunga news. Zimbabwean women live with HIV national forum. Rotaura dance since school from zvatikuendeite. Vakadzi vamwe mavendors. Saka varikumbira rubatsiro. Ndazada kumboshanda kubva March 30.
Yeah, pakaipa sana. Abatani. Asi sure the teacher vanoya zvondiudzira zvekuita inini. Zera rangu tu.
My sister talks a lot, my time. I know Tauris. And she has question. You should get used to her.
Manjini, I'm not going to tolerate someone who knows nothing about the Mudzimba to know what to do. Ndakammirira kuti antange futi.
Ndiona zvangu ndozakopesa wacho.
Iye akumbopindire pakati pedu.
In Europe, love is about two people. But it's different here in Zimbabwe. Here in Zimbabwe, if you marry a woman, you marry the whole family. The same goes for Muri Flakazi. If you are married to a man, you are married to his whole family. That's just how it is.
This is 21st century. Wanzo, aticharavamo pasi chigare guys.
And in the north, in life, even the people we despise gives us good advice. And so it's up to you to take what you need and leave what you don't need. This is okay. Use every advice to your advantage.
But Babatanya, am I really that horrible? Maybe ndina uncle, but takangotadza kuklika sona tete from the start.
Muupenyu mutinorarama nevanhu. Andika. Saka iwewe manje, you should live 10% wrong to tolerate all those different characters that you don't get along with. That way, it's no fun. Many guys are do in it, so.
Maybe you're right. And so is Teddy. But kwete pazvese babatani.
I can remember that.
Kwete pazvese. Kulipofonera.
I know, wakadzi. Walipo mawani. Funga kuti vende zvezvana udongononyora maexams.
Walipo mawani.
Zvamwari.
Iwe sikukupisa. Wapedza cho. Ndakatoka.
Let's get in it.
Mamuka tete, mamuke.
Ndamuka bozwa nge.
Kotanya ripi?
Nani ndamsiya na baba wake kokoko. Kukusero.
Tanya na baba wake so. Tatomti daddy's daughter.
Andi zvinonzi vana vasikana havasiyani nana mudhara. Kana neso ndozvataita pana mudhara.
Tete, I know I'm not perfect in many ways, but I also have some good in me. And I would like to turn the bad in me to the good. I just hope mchandipa mukana kuchinja. Makaita basa makanditsura maraso. I got to sit down and think.
And I am sorry if I was a bit hard on you. Tete ndo wakapiwa. Come here. I am glad you're willing to change, Murora.
Titi, and did you haven't forgotten what day it is today?
Today? I remember. I'm loving the new you, my good.
And don't keep it or something. African. Let's go. Beautiful. What's good is it? City, okay. Lily, what is this?
What do you mean, what is this? Lily, uda kundiparadzira imba yangu. Maitanya. What do you mean, dog paradzira imba yangu?
I thought we talked about this kudara.
Maitanya, we talked about, but don't you think the secret why it for too long? But it's still the one who they found a way.
I didn't have the chance and the time, Maitanya.
But why is our decision? Yako ngochifunga here inside rangu
At
na
least hear me
iwe.
out, Maitanya, once go. At least give me an E, once go.
You are a mother. You're supposed to feel for your kid. I know the way they took the kid from you was not right, Maitanya. Aster, how many years they were gonna baba time?
What you could do before you
Terera Maitanya, once go. Diterera, once go. And now mwana, but I cried. Ukona yembetsa kafika na city. I had to buy those clothes for your child.
But kama Maitanya achishika pana pa izvo zvachiona tiri kungopfeka futi zvakaita sezvasidi izvozvo. Inganga ndichitumira wani mari panda ndichiwanawo.
Maitanya kutumira mari. Tanya. Chimwana. If you don't want this child, ndinomusi yangu kana kutsvaga nesocial welfare wanomutora kana give him out for adoption. Pane kuti mwana atimutambudzika achigara kumusha. Maitanya, your child ari kuitwa mwana webasa. Ndiye ari kuitiswa the running around. Hana, I don't think he's going to school mwana uyu. Mwana uyu hana birth certificate. You are the mother. You're supposed to take care of this thing. Even Ben Babatanya, but you're doing nothing about it. That's why I had to bring Sid with me.
Lily manje dai wandiudza kandauna zvekuita. I had no time. I didn't even have the chance. Lily, this is not fair.
But if you're not ready to tell Baba time, and the old say, but in any meantime, chamutora beg, do same thing. Chamuenda kukumana.
Lily,
mwana nondishuro.
Naiwe Lily. Lily we. Babatanya achisvika ndoskomudza ndichiti chi?
Maitanya, I don't know.
Naiwe Lily we. Lily kana iwe. Lily pina uko. Iwe Lily we. Yoya naye kasaka ndoita sei nini? Chauma pangu papera nasi.
Mama. Mama Lila ukupi.
Unonditi sisi anditi. Anditi. Itatata.
Sisi. Ko mama Lila ukupi.
Babuda ari kudzoka nditi. Chanditongati. Andika. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. How old are you now? How old are you now? How old are you now, Bonnie? How old are you now?
Oh, God.
I never told you. We wish you many more. We wish you many more. Baba Tanya, happy birthday. We've been through a lot together, and I just wanted to surprise you. Nana Tete, a surprise birthday party. Happy birthday. I know, I am good at keeping secrets, you guys. Who knows that? Happy birthday, my brother. I know, you're shocked, but...
Okay,
Take it up.
Wow. people. Let's check this. Let's check this. It's been a long time since I check again. Okay, so you people, I don't get the idea. Seems now do that like that, so.
Ndoda ipiso mbe yacho.
The piece on bed. You're not going to piece on bed, is it?
I worked hard keeping a secret.
I think I didn't want a piece on.
Wakapesera ndona renyu.
But still, pandaka pesa wana tenge ndo pandaka kwa.
Fana yanga neninga all the time. Ne itachop chop.
Thank you people.
Nganzi munorongo ibenza sibenzira naye. No offense.
Auntie ndosho mapita.
Itachedu kana.
So much. I'm getting in shock.
Kutikalo. But in real life.
Okay, so. Kolilaro.
We just had a little argument, Naridi, but she's around. She'll come by.
You mind to tanga by Nachimiza very deran?
I don't know. You're trying to see the cake up.
Argument here.
It was just a minor, Baba time.
Just on there.
Chimpana changu. This is.
For good.
Who doesn't make it?
Another.
No, this is.
You have Ada bahasa nak goyang dia.
Asinoza chimrol kanganisa chinwani. Ngochona ngotengarira 100% juice.
Is Taida utotengera murume wangu doro chairo but hey, ndaba mari shoma.
Night time. Thank you so much for the love and support that you are showing us. We really appreciate it as a family. God bless you so much. Be kind and have courage.
You lose nothing by clicking that red button. Simply subscribe and keep the motivation coming. And we'll keep on producing more content. Don't forget to like and share. And please don't forget to click that bell. We are
Zvirimudzimba
from
Escalates
Productions. Goodbye.
Thank you.